Hello and welcome. So now we understand basic subset analysis and how to write a set analysis expression. So to apply that into practice, let's create two line charts. One will show sales for Brazil and another will show sales for UK. Alright, as you might have imagined, we're going to use modifier to filter country in each chart. So first chart will have country as Brazil, the other one will have country as UK. So let's dive back into ClickSense document and let's create a new sheet called set analysis. Alright, so I'm going to create a line chart. The dimension will be month year. And the measure is going to be sum of line sales amount. So this is how chart looks, but this chart shows sales for all the countries. So if you look at the expression, this is basic aggregation expression, sum of line sales amount. And as we discussed, set analysis syntax only works within an aggregation function. So to write set analysis syntax, we'll start with the outer curly braces. So a pair of curly braces right within the parenthesis before the field line sales amount. And then within the curly braces, we're going to add a modifier. So modifier starts with angle bracket, left and right. It's always good practice to throw pair of curly braces and pair of angle brackets so that you won't get confused as you write your expression. You also need an identifier, but as we discussed, if you don't type identifier, ClickSense will substitute that with $sign, which is default state. But to be explicit, let's just type $. So that's an identifier. The modifier has equal sign, and then left of equal sign is the field name, and the right of the equal sign has the element set. So let's start with the field name, which is customer country. And as you type, ClickSense will pop up with list of fields to choose from. Here, select customer country, and then equal. And then on the right hand side again, put pair of curly braces, that's for the element set. And then since this is a string, we're going to put pair of single quote, and within that you have to type the value. Now values are case sensitive. If you type Brazil in uppercase, that's not going to work. So you have to know how values appear in your data set and then type exact value. So Brazil would be capital. That's our expression. So this is the set analysis expression to filter Brazil as a country. As you notice, it's very easy once you get hang of the syntax. So to recap, what I did is I started off with pair of curly braces, the outer curly braces for the record set. Then I added pair of angle brackets for the modifier, and then I added $, as an identifier. Again, remember, identifier sets the scope of the data set or record set, and then the modifier has field customer country. So the left side of the equal sign always has a field name, and here it's a customer country, and on the right hand side we have element set, which are filter values. So we're forcing ClickSense to select on a field customer country and select value Brazil. So that is what's happening behind the scene. Okay, so apply this. That's our expression. So now this sales is only for country Brazil. So to be specific, let's type here sales Brazil as title. So that's our chart, and we can copy this chart. Copy here and paste. So we have this chart here. Since we want to show sales for UK, let's change the title to UK and change the expression to replace Brazil with UK. And now let's add filter panel to show that even if you choose any country from the list, these charts will not change. But you can make other selections, and then those selections will be honored since our identifier is $. So I'm going to add a filter panel here, and let's add customer country. Let's add year. And let's add product name. Alright, so that's our basic chart. If I select a country such as Belgium, you see no effect on the chart. As you make selection on the year, obviously that's honored because our identifier is dollar. In same fashion, if you select any of the product names, those will be honored, since again, there are no filters defined within set analysis syntax for product name as a field. We're going to go over more examples and some challenges so that you can master set analysis. Again, it is one of the most powerful features in ClickSense. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.